Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Angelica Triste, 38 years old and a high school graduate. I live in Poblacion, Santo Domingo, Ilocos Sur. My height is 155 cm. My weight is 72 kilograms. I am married with three kids whose ages are 17, 12, and 9. I have three brothers. My first working experience is in Singapore. I worked there for 2 years under one employer, which includes a couple and their two kids. My main duties and responsibilities are waking up the kids for them to go to school, help them change into their uniforms, and wait for the school bus. After that, I do the household chores like cleaning the house, washing the laundry, and ironing the clothes. I also pick up the kids from their school and make a simple lunch and dinner for them. My second working experience is in Bahrain. I worked there for 8 years and 6 months under one employer only, which includes a couple, their four kids, and an old woman. My main duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing the laundry, ironing the clothes, and cook lunch and dinner for them. I also take good care of the old woman, especially when she got sick and become bedridden. You will give me the chance to become your household worker. I can assure you that I am hardworking, trustworthy, reliable, fast learner, and willing to learn. Thank you.